Hello everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi and today I am so excited to be unboxing my FabFitFun box that just came in with you all. And if you do not know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box that has full-size products that are fashion, beauty, fitness, lifestyle, and any of those products. So it is so much fun and I just love FabFitFun because their mission is to deliver happiness to everyone, everywhere. So if you know me at all and have seen like my header and any of my posts or any of that, you know that my whole motivation in life is to be the reason someone smiles every single day. So I just really love what they stand for and think that my mission goes very well with theirs. So I just am really excited about this and to be sharing it all with you. So without further ado, let's get unboxing this FabFitFun box. So opening it up, I'm really excited to see what is inside because when you order a box, you get to put in some of your preferences on items, and some of them might be exactly what you picked out and some of them might be close, or just giving them really good fun ideas of what to give you. So that is also really cool about it because you do get to kind of customize it. So when you open it up, oh cute, I got a sticker because this is the winter box, as well as a Bright Sellers credit for wine, which I absolutely love that. And then also there is this magazine of stories and like products and stuff, which is really fun. It just shows some different things about FabFitFun. Wow, there's actually a lot of stuff in here. There is a promo code for HBO Max, as well as a Nourish code as well, and a HelloFresh $80 off, including free shipping with your first box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so already I am like blown away just from what I'm seeing. So first things first, I got these Kate Spade sticky socks, which I absolutely am so excited because I do Pure Barre and I absolutely love sticky socks and they're just so cute. So this is what they look like, and they are bar socks. So they have like the sticky things on the bottom and the cute little spade is in gold on there. So I love those and know I will get a ton of use out of them. Next I have some cheetah scrunchies, which again, if you know me and you can see that my cheetah shirt literally matches my cheetah bedding, you know that I'm definitely going to be taking advantage of these. So super cute, like a whiter one, a darker one, and then one that's like more tan. So those are super cute. Next we have a Kind Thin granola bar, as well as a Get Well nail recovery, which I've been talking about my nails a lot. They need it, so that will definitely come in handy. Next I have this lip scrub from Wish. It is a vanilla bean lip scrub too, so this looks fun. Gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. See, and the fun thing about this is you're paying for all of these products that are like worth way more than the boxes itself, and there's a lot of fun stuff in here already that like I wouldn't have gone out of my way to buy for myself, but since they come in the box and it's like so reasonably priced, it just makes sense to get this fun stuff this way. But next I have this revitalizing eye gels from Botanic Beauty. I don't really know how to say that. Guardian Angel. I'm gonna have to look up how to use these, but again, just something fun that I would not have gotten for myself. There's some big things in here and I'm saving those for last. This is an eyeshadow palette by Laura Geller. Sorry, I'm really bad at pronunciation and some of these I have not exactly heard of. But opening this up, it is cinnamon and spice. And it is so cute. Ooh, and these colors are really pretty and right up my alley. So there's like some plain ones and then some shimmery ones in there. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this palette a lot, and I actually have plans tonight, so I'll probably use it tonight to start. So now on to the big things. So this is Lucky brand, which I have heard of, and it is a really cute gray scarf, which is going to come in handy this winter. And again, like a really good brand, and this itself is a $70 scarf, and you don't even pay that much for the box, but we will get into that as soon as I finish opening everything. But that is actually crazy that they like do that. So last but not least, I just got this really cute tan robe, and I'm actually really so happy about this because it goes perfectly with my room, and it's going to be so cute. And it is honestly so soft. It is from Summer and Rose. So I am just really excited. Look how cute it looks in here. I am just really excited about all of these products, honestly. So now that I have this all put back together, I just wanted to tell you a little bit more about FabFitFun, since obviously we just saw all those fun products, but just more why I love it. And really just as a college student, like I said before, it's really just so nice to get some fun products, especially when you get these full-size products that are worth way more than the box even is itself. So pulling out my magazine just to explain to you like how worth it this box is. That robe I got was $70 itself, so right there we are already over what the box cost. As well as that scarf is $70. The eyeshadow palette was $45. Those Kate Spade socks that I absolutely love are $24. I mean, I think you get the point, but you just get so much more than your money's worth, and as a college student, there is nothing that I love more. And also, as a college student, if you've seen any of my other videos, you already know that I have a bathroom in my own room, but I still love to have a nice robe. And at most schools you have to use like a community bathroom, so having that is just amazing. So definitely a must-have. And like the bar socks are perfect for me, which is something they definitely got just from me filling out like what I would most use and prefer. And like the cheetah, so they really do customize it to fit your personality and your college needs, which is so amazing. But FabFitFun was so nice to give all of you, my amazing subscribers, a discount code to use. So that is LexiFFF, which is Lexi FabFitFun, and I will also have that in the description box, and that'll give you $10 off your first order, making your box only $39.99. And like I said, that is so much less than what the whole box is worth. So definitely take this opportunity to get yourself one, because it is absolutely amazing, and I'm going to use all these products and have so much fun with it.
Kate Spade bar socks.
I know, this is a robe.
They hooked her up.
These are $24 alone.
I know, this is a robe, that's a scarf. I know, so that was cute. Also, as a college student, it is so nice to be getting all of these coupons as well along with my box. So just all in all, I can't say enough good things about it, and I am absolutely in love with it, especially as a college student. They've really paid attention to the things that I would like and made sure that I got some great and amazing items. So definitely take advantage of that discount code. That was so nice of them to give to all of you. And yeah, that is all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I will see you all next time. Bye guys.